Hi guys, thank you for joining me today. Welcome back to my channel if you already exist. So if you don't know me, my name is Joanne. I do 2 to 3 uploads a week. I do crafting videos, I do shopping hauls and just general lifestyle vlogging. Today I'm going to be taking you through a craft video as promised on Facebook. So I'll be doing step by step and I'm going to be showing you how to make something similar to this. I don't know if you can see how detailed it is. It's like a 3D letter. Today I'm going to be doing the letter J. I'm going to be doing it in the same colours. I'll be doing it in pink. So you need 5 sheets of card for this, which I pick up from Poundland. So it's very cheap and inexpensive. So I've got 2 pink, 2 whitey cream, and I've got 1 silver to go on the top. So that's what I'm going to be using. You will also need some double-sided sticky tape. I use a shadow box which I got from IKEA, and the size of that is the 23 by 23 centimetre one. So I'm going to be putting the letter J in there. I'm going to also be using my Cricut machine, which is the Cricut Explore 2, and that's what I'm going to be using to cut it out. So I'm going to take you through it step by step, so let's get started. Downloaded the SVG file from Etsy, and I'm going to transport the J's over to the screen now. As you can see, 5 J's have appeared. I'm actually only going to use the first J. That is going to be the top layer of the project, which I'm going to do in silver. So therefore I now need to delete the other 4 J's, which I am doing now. And then I'm left with the J that I want to be working with. I'm not going to resize it because it actually works perfect for the 23 by 23 shadow box that I'm going to be using. So as you can see, now it's being transported onto my mat, and I just need to start the machine up and put the paper in place. So I've put the silver paper onto my machine, onto the sticky mat, and I'm going to load it into the machine now and start. I'll change the settings to cardstock. It's quite light, this paper, it's not a thick card, so I'm kind of ready to go. I'm going to actually keep holding it in place though, because my mat's not very sticky at the moment. The first cut is the trickiest because it's normally like the thinnest layer. But as you can see, it's cutting quite nicely. It's not sort of snagging the card at all in any way. And then I'm basically going to repeat the process over again for the next 4 steps until I have all the layers cut. But I will go back to the computer and show you what I'm doing. Get my weeding tool ready. All done. So this might peel off really well. It's quite hard to see actually with the silver. Make sure it's cut through properly so I don't rip my paper. Maybe I could have went with a slightly deeper cut. But I'll carry on weeding this and I'll get back to you when I've finished. That's the top layer of the J weeded. I'm now going to move back over to the PC and I'm going to repeat the process, but I'm now going to delete the first one, the third one, the fourth and the fifth till I've got the ornate one in the centre of the screen. I'm going to then move it over to the corner and again leave it at the same size. And then I'm ready to print number 2, and I'm going to repeat that process like for the next 3 times. So I've got my card in place on the mat, and I'm going to cut out the second layer. Again, not very thick card, so I'm kind of going to leave it there, leave it in the machine. This one will be slightly more ornate, so it'll take a bit longer. Weeding that as well. And then I'm left with a very ornate shape. So this is going to take a little bit longer, this one. Or maybe not actually. Alright, there we go. All done very quickly. How pretty. So I'm now going to repeat that process another 3 times to get all my layers, and then I'll come back to you. I've cut all 5 pieces out now, and as you can see from the bottom, they start to get more ornate as you work up over. That would be number 3. Number 4. And finally number 5. So there's all 5 pieces. So I'm going to turn my mat over and work on the, although I've got the protective covering on it, so I'll just work on there. Right, so I'm going to lay them out, and I'm going to start building from the bottom. Can you see everything's laid out there? Actually, I'll do it that way so it's closer to me. Right, so bottom layer, so I'm going to use my double-sided sticky tape and start cutting some strips. So I've stuck them all together, all the layers, and that's what it kind of looks like now. The longest part about the whole process was literally putting the double-sided sticky tape in between. That was just a bit of a pain, it was a bit of a nightmare, but I think it's worth it when you see the outcome. It looks really pretty, so I'm just going to pop it into my shadow box now and show you what it looks like all finished. And that's what it actually finished looks like when it's, all you can see is my ring light. I'll see if I can do it. Actually, I'll turn the light off and you might be able to see it a bit better. It's really sparkly and loads of detail. It's dead pretty. Right, I'll turn this light off. Oh, still haven't turned it off. Right, so that's what the finished. Right, and looks like all you can see is my phone as well. But really pretty. So that is the M and the J done to hang in my bedroom. So if you've enjoyed my video, please give me the thumbs up, like and subscribe. Please don't forget to press the notification button so you get a notification when I upload, which I'll probably do another upload sometime this week. So thank you for watching.